era of shared ownership has come, and I am so excited. It is really fascinating. Under the new concept of shared ownership, you can become a partial owner, a fractional owner of practically every asset which you have dreamt of. To have a second home outside Bombay or outside wherever you are living is costing a few crores for anything which you would really like to enjoy and live in. I always loved holiday homes, and I have always been fascinated by these beautiful villas which are made in outstation holiday locations like near Bombay, Alibag, Lonavala, Khandala, Mahabaleshwar, Panchgani, Khapoli, Karjat, etc. Beautiful villas with swimming pool, big rooms, big halls, gardens, very fabulous locations with fabulous views. These have always fascinated me. But so far, unfortunately, they have been out of reach for me, because any of these good villas and good properties in the right places, nice places, they have been costing anywhere from 2 crores to 5 crores and even more than that. The prices have been so prohibitive. It has only been a dream to own one, and takes entire lifetime's earnings. Firstly, to own a property as a first house in your city where you are located. Maybe, I'm located in Bombay. Buy a house in Bombay itself is a big task and costs a lifetime's earnings. But it has always been very ego satisfying and very emotional to own a property, private property like that. And that is why people who have the surplus fund, they have been indulging, they have been buying. Rest of the year, the property is lying vacant. It is costing money, and capital invested as an opportunity cost of at least 10% by way of interest earnings on that capital employed. So overall, it does not make mathematical financial sense. So of course, these costs have been prohibitive, and they also do not they have never made sense, because any second home which I buy or you buy or anyone else buys, the second home is never used 365 days of the year. We'll end up at the most using for maybe 7 or 8 days or 10 days or 12 days, because we don't use for a long continuous period. We just go for weekends or for some short break holidays. Maybe we stay for a day or 2 days or 3 days and come back. But for people like me who don't have that type of surplus money, we have a new option now, and that is fantastic, because now under the shared economy, under the shared ownership of assets concept, by just paying a fraction of the cost of the whole property, I can get to use a certain number of days on an exclusive basis every year for my entire life. So for an investment of just about 4 lakhs, if 52 people get together, so they can buy a 2 crore 8 lakhs property and become partial owners, and each one can then decide to allocate one week amongst themselves and enjoy the property year after year, and whatever are the monthly running expenses, they can also be shared by 52 different people. So I'm so fascinated by this concept of fractional ownership that I myself have decided to get into it as a business. I would like to bring this concept to the people, to the holiday lovers, enthusiasts, and make it possible for them to have holidays in the most beautiful locales in various parts of India. And I'm going one step further to say that my company, the Getaway Club, is going to make it possible for interchange of use between one property and the other, okay, so that you can keep on utilizing new properties every time. So you may be an owner of one particular property, a fractional owner of one particular property, but you could utilize the rights given to you on that one particular property to utilize other properties in other territories and locations, and by just exchanging the rights which you have for your property with other owners who have similar rights. So they could be using your rights on your property and you could be using their rights on their property. So I just pay a fraction of the cost, generally 1/50th of the cost, and there I am. I'm the owner. While I'm using it, I get the feel of being the owner of that particular asset, and I dictate terms to my staff, to the people out there, just as if it is my own property. And because it is shared by so many people, and generally it is managed by a professional company, I always find everything is well maintained, in proper serviced condition. I don't have to bother about maintenance. I am Dinesh Singhal, and my company is the Getaway Club, and I will stop here now, but I will get back to you with more details of the same concept, how one can really use and enjoy this facility. It's fantastic.